So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Compose feature in writing tools on your iPhone. So after the recent iOS 18.2 update, there's a new Compose feature in writing tools. You can use this feature to compose essays, blogs, etc. This feature works on Notes app, Mail app, and even messages. So let's see how you can use the Compose feature to write an essay on your iPhone. So first of all, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now tap on this icon to create a new note. After this, open Writing Tools. For this, tap on this icon. Now scroll down and you will see this option called Compose. Tap on it. After this, describe what you want to compose. For example, essay on summer. Now wait for some time, and this composed an essay on summer. So this is how you can use Compose feature in writing tools on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.